Welcome back to my channel. This time I've got something a bit different for you. Stick around and you'll find out. Right, what I'm doing is I'm fixing this PC because when I turn on the power button, absolutely nothing happens. There's definitely power to it, and if you can see there, probably can't see if it can, but there's definitely power down there to the motherboard. If you can see the green LED, so there's definitely power to it. So what it is, it's the power supply that's gone. So we'll just have to get it swapped out. Right, I thought it'd be easy just to pull the old case out, then I can get to it a lot easier. So I've got everything I need. I've got my new power supply, and bought that from a local hardware supplier, CCL. I'll put a link in the description. And it's exactly the same as the one I use in my own desktop PC, and that's been going strong for 4 years, so I know it's a good one. And while I'm swapping out the power supply, I'll do a bit of a cable management. So just neaten the cables up, hence the cable ties and the side cutters. Right, I shall get the camera set up, and then you can watch it. Let's replace this power supply. Right, first thing you need to do is to take this side panel off. It's just a couple of thumb screws. Well, that's already come off for the fan, so let's put that to one side. And just need to basically disconnect everything. There's the connections for the graphics card. They come off like so. There's power for the optical drive and power for the hard drive. They can come out. Then we've got the main connector into the motherboard, and then there's another connector for the fan. Right, I'm going to have to take the graphics card out to get this out. Come on, wait, try to wait. Put that over there. And just disconnect this case fan, and that is all the connections out of the way. So all I have to do is undo these 4 screws. And there we go, that's the power supply out. So I think it's actually the same as one I'm replacing. Anyway, looks like it's failed, so I'll get the new one out. And reassembly, as the saying goes, is reverse of removal. Let's get some started. I'll tighten up. next stage, just plug it in and make sure you're ready for it, put it all up. So, first things first is here, power connector to the board. So, put that way around. And then the way, so it's possible to go. So, put it in, now take it. Okay, that's it. And next, over here. Get to the fan, so find it. Well then, it's tap this. So get it there, to the top. And just in place. So then we'll go with the others. Clean it up to the ground. So there we are. And there we are. We're going so go to Paulson. Yep, that's the right way. And then just power drive. So put that in. This is a bit tricky. Power gets good power. Just get up and through. And then we just have it into here. Right here, the same way. So that is everything plugged in. We'll get it back hooked up and we'll see if it'll fire up. This is the moment of truth. Will it work? Or won't it? Just switch the switch on at the back. Press the button. Nothing happened. Well, it was a good job I didn't button it all up, because I found out what the problem was, why it wouldn't fire up. I saw smoke coming out of it, and it's the graphics card, it's tough, so I need another graphics card. But fortunately, this PC has inbuilt graphics, so we'll try it again without the graphics card and we'll just see how we go. Okay, let's try it again. Graphics card is out, so just get some power to it at the back. We'll just fire it up, and that looks promising. And let's see if we can see anything on the screen. Oh yep, oh good. So it looks like it probably didn't need the power supply, but you know, when it's not firing up, that's the most likely cause. But I had no reason to suspect the graphics card, because usually quite good. But fortunately, this one has built-in graphics, so I can still get it up and running. What we'll do is I'll get a replacement card. I'll probably get a like for like. It was a HD 6950, that particular card. Which one? So I'll probably find some as good as or better than. And anyway, it's fixed for now. So I'll probably do a follow-up video when I get the replacement graphics card. Let's do a bit of cable management. So basically, just tie up cables up, make it a meter. So I need to tie them down. Not to do it, I'll bunch them up. There, I'll put them up. So I'm going to need to get some cable ties and my cutters. So I'll just get a meter. That's what I need to do. So that's the first one. Cut it off. Put it on there, in case cables a bit damaged. Put them around here. Right, then make it out. So look, use these for case fan. Goes up into the lid. So you can use one. This one's good for the graphics card, so we've got loads of the graphics card. Put on there now. How much is this? So that's that plugged in. So just tie that away. Just put it on. You can see how we go. And inside the hole. So I should do it. So if you can nice and neat. I'm sure this will just tidy up fine. So please, so back in. The one, please. So like that. You just say if I'm putting it up. Get to the side, put it up. Put the camera there. Right, just put it on. Plug in the case fan. Put it away. And the case fan, you'll not expect it to sit on. I drive, optical drive for. And the idea, plus the drives came out. So I just use the tap pocket to run. Okay, so that's connected. Just on right. And then, So that's all put back together. We'll get it hooked up and we'll try it again, make sure it's still working. Okay, so it's working once again. So I'll get another graphics card ordered, and it's back to where it was before. I don't know whether I'll wait till I get that or do a separate video. Anyway, that's it for now with this particular PC. I can do what I was originally going to do. Okay, it's not quite the end of this video. I've got another PC job, and this time it's on my own desktop PC, because the other one you saw wasn't mine. And I've been running out of hard drive space, and I'll just show you what I mean. Right, I will show you what I'm going to do. I'll just go to the PC. That's my first drive, my 500 gig SSD, and that is my second drive, my 4TB drive. And as you can see, it's just getting a little bit full, and it's mostly videos, not just the ones I've published on YouTube. So I need to either get a bigger hard drive or fit another one. Right, well, this is the hard drive I've gone for. I've gone for a 4TB Seagate Barracuda. And I got this from CCL at the same time as that power supply. Got some securing screws there and a SATA cable. So we'll just get the case out and we'll get it installed. Alright, got the case out. I'll just... Unfortunately, this doesn't have thumb screws, so it's going to be conventional screws. And sorry if I'm getting in the way here. So take this side panel off. It's probably difficult, that's it. And we'll just move that to one side. It's quite dusty in here. I'm not sure where I'm going to fit the drive. I'll probably have to fit it down here somewhere. This is going to be fun because there's my 4TB drive there. It's my SSD. Well, looks like there isn't any room for this hard drive, and this graphics card is in the way. So it's not a totally waste exercise. This what I'll do is I'll get these cables tidied up so it looks a bit neater in here. So what's that? Right, get it down here. Need insulation. Chop that up. And get the cut up right here. And let's see if I get it from the other side. We'll need a bit as well. Well, and then get back on. Right, and I'll get this hooked back up, reinstated. Okay, so my PC's up and running again. I bet you think I've bought this hard drive for nothing. Fear not, because I have a plan B, and it involves that external hard drive. At the moment there's a 1TB hard drive in that, so I shall take it out of there and put this one in there, and then I can take it with me if I'm out and about as well, because my plan was to put all my my films and my music and my TV programs onto this hard drive, and freeing up this one. So I'll go ahead and get that swapped out. Right, so it should be easy enough. You slide this out. That's it. Slide it all the way out. And out it comes. Slide this one in. Then slide the lid back on. Easy. Really, really easy. Just put it all back in. Let's see what we have. Oh, that was easy enough. It is now the next day and I've managed to get it up and running. It helps if I create the partition properly. Now as you can see here, I managed to free up a bit of space on there and I've put it on this one. So I'm going to wrap it up for this video. So once I get a replacement graphics card for the other PC, I'll do a follow-up video. Anyway, please remember to like and subscribe. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.